Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. In the last episode, we have seen how to form the sentences of two words. Today, we'll see how to form the imperatives, both in formal and informal way, and we'll try to see the verb forms in first person singular. So, let's begin. Ba. Ba means come. These are all imperatives in informal way. Ba, come. Hogu, go. Hogu, go. Nodu. Nodu means see. Informal way. Nodu. Observe the capital D. Nodu. Not nodu. It's nodu. Kelu. Kelu. Kelu has two meanings. Hear and ask. Depending on the context, it will be understood as either hear or ask. Look at the capital L. Lu. Kelu. Tinnu. Tinnu. Eat. Kudi. Kudi. Again, capital D. Kudi. Drink. Kali. Kali means learn. Kali. Odu. Odu. Again, small d. It's not odu, it's odu. Do. Read or study. Bari. Bari means write. Bari. Now we look at the same imperatives in the formal way. Banni. Ba becomes banni in the formal way, means come. Hogi. Hogu becomes hogi, means go. Nodi. Nodu becomes nodi, see. Keli. Keli. Again, Kelu has become Keli. Hear or ask. Tinni. Tinnu becomes Tinni. Eat. Kudiri. Kudi becomes Kudiri, means drink. Kaliri. Learn. Kali becomes Kaliri, learn. Odi. Odu becomes Odi, read, study. Bariri. Bari becomes Bariri. That's right. So here I think you might have observed whenever the verb already ending with E in its informal way of imperative, we have added re. For example, kudi. Kudi is an informal way, means drink. So it becomes formal by adding re. Kudi re. Similarly, kali is also ending with E sound. So it has got re added in the end to make it a formal way. Similarly, bari. Bari re. And as far as other verbs are concerned, it is quite an easy way to form an formal imperative. Like hogu becomes hogi, nodu becomes nodi, kelu becomes keli, tinnu becomes tinni. So you have to know one thing. Whenever the verb is ending in E sound, it means that it is in a formal way. Now we'll see the first person singular form of the same verbs in both simple present as well as future tense. In spoken Kannada, we never use a future tense form of the verb. It is there, it is used only in the textual language, but in the spoken Kannada, we normally use simple present tense to convey the future ideas as well. And again, it depends on the context. And there is a quite clear way to determine it. So let's see. Bartini. I come or I will come. Hogtini. I go or I will go. If I say ನಾನು ಈಗ ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ means now I go, it's quite clear that it's in present tense. And if you say ನಾನು ನಾಳೆ ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ means I will go tomorrow. ನಾಳೆ is tomorrow. So depending on the context, it is understood whether it's a simple present or a future one. ನೋಡ್ತೀನಿ. 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 I see or I will see. Again, observe the capital D. Nod. It should have the D sound. ಕೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಕೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. capital L, killed. I hear or I ask, or I will hear or I will ask. Tintini. Tintini. I eat or I will eat. Kuditini. I drink or I will drink. Kalitini. I learn or I will learn. Ottini. I read or I will read. I study or I will study. Baritini. Bartini is I come or I will come. Baritini is I write or I will write. So I think you have observed the first person simple present form always ends with teeny, 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 teeny. So if you grasp it, I think you will be able to make your own first person singular form of other verbs as well. And if you know the root form, that is enough. Now I think you can form the verbs of first person singular, simple present and future, as well as imperatives, a formal and informal way. If you have the root form of it, I think you can do it. Try for other verbs. If you have any doubts, let me know in comments. I'll clarify them. So write, comment, share and subscribe. Till then, bye bye.
Yeah, yeah.